Hey guys, it's fall and it is way too cold for fall. Me and my brother are wearing our winter coats. Okay, let's go inside. I'm going to get a, oh wait, what? Okay, I got the wrong shopping cart. Okay, there. I accidentally grabbed someone else's shopping cart. And grab a cookie. Wait, do I have a cookie? Yes, I have a cookie. I need that, I need that. We all obviously need water. Hopefully it stays cold. And we need chips. We do need some apples. Do we have, no, we don't have any apples. I checked the list, it said apples. So obviously we don't have any apples. We need sandwiches, meat, milk, ice cream. And that's it. Wait, did we get a banana? I don't think we did. Oh yeah, we did. Okay, we need Reese's, and okay, we have chocolate but not Reese's. And chocolate. Okay. Okay. And yeah. So now we're gonna pay. And wait, why do I hear the news? Let's go watch. Wait, Breakhaven is going to have a snowstorm? One of the worst? Okay, well, I think we're going to just pay for this and get home. Plus, I think Mom wants us home soon. Hopefully she didn't see the news. Well, hopefully she did, so she's prepared, but still. Okay, what the heck? Never mind. And okay, we're about to pay. No, silly, why would we become a popsicle? We're not. Okay, let's just pay for this food and get out of here. Okay, come on. And I guess we have to walk home? Actually, no, I have my hoverboard. I'll just carry you. Okay. There. Now we're going to go home. Oh my god, it's taking forever. I'm getting tired of driving all over trying to get home. Finally, we're home. Come on, let's go inside. It's freezing out here. A giant candy cane. Nice. Looks like Mom put up decorations. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, anyways, I'm going to my room and covering up. It's way too cold. It's freezing. Okay, finally warm, and I'm now going to have lunch. Okay, wait, where's my brother? He's supposed to have lunch too. Where are you? Wait, why is the door open? And oh my god, it's snowing? What are you doing? Come inside. It's freezing. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be out here. It's freezing. Wow. That's really good, but come on. Go inside. Wait, no. No. Oh no. Where did he go? Oh no. I gotta go find him. Okay. It's freezing out here. Okay. Go this way. Oh my god. It is freezing. I got to get inside. Oh, I need to run. Oh my god. So cold. Okay, shut this door. Oh my god. That is crazy. How did it get that cold in not even that long? Okay, I'm going to go out and find him again, but first I need to put on something way warmer than this. I gotta look in my clothes. Okay, there's nothing warmer than this, but I hope it works. Okay, I got to go out. Wait, why can't I open the door? I can't even unlock it. Oh no, I think the door was frozen shut. How am I supposed to find him now? What am I supposed to do? Okay, there's only one thing I can. Grab something. I don't know why it does this, but I gotta grab it. I hope she still has it. She probably does. I have to go downstairs. Yes, this is a secret spot. Has my safe and all the other things I need. Like, I might need this. Okay, I don't need the guns. I don't know why she has these. Don't even ask me why she has them. But I need the axe to break the door open. Now I gotta figure out a way to get upstairs. Okay, let's try to figure this out. Okay, after an hour, I finally figured out how to get up here. Now I just need to axe this door open. And when I said she, I'm talking about my mom has this axe. Okay, I need to use it to break the door open. Almost there, I think. Oh, what the heck? Come on, no. I did it! Okay, well now I gotta go find him, like, right now. Okay. I hope the storm can't get any worse. I think it can, though. All it's been doing is snowing like crazy, so it probably can get worse. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. Wait, who is that? Oh my god, it's my brother. I really gotta go. I hope he's okay. I gotta get him to the hospital. Hopefully it's open. Where's Mom? She's probably on... Oh wait, I forgot. She's on her vacation. Hopefully she's having fun out of Breakhaven. Well, this is officially the worst day of my life. Gotta go faster. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. Just go. Okay, I think I'm almost there. Okay. Wait, no, this is the store. Oh, it's all the way down there. Just run fast. Everyone, I think, has evacuated Breakhaven. Because I don't see a person here. Okay. I need to get him right in here. I really hope he's okay. Okay. This is... Wait, they want me to leave? I really don't want to leave. But I guess I do have to. I'm just going to stand out here, keep walking back and forth. Hoping he's okay. I just got the best news ever. He's okay. I'm going in right now. Okay. I'm glad he's okay. Well, I guess it's time to go home. I just gotta make sure he's sleeping a lot. He needs sleep and he needs to be warm. Okay, we're home and he is upstairs sleeping under the covers, which is a good thing. So since it's not as cold... Wait, what's that noise? Oh, breaking news? Oh wait, I gotta turn it on real fast. Okay, wait. There's going to be a tornado coming too? Okay. And I guess around here should get destroyed. Okay, we have to leave, like, right now. This is horrible. Come on. Okay, so... Okay, now we have to hurry to get out of this place. Oh no. I hear the sirens. We have to go. I know a faster way. Don't worry, it's fine. I know exactly how to do this. See? We're safe. Now, Breakhaven's going to get destroyed. Where do we go? Okay. I don't know. Wait, maybe the subway? Yeah, the subway will work. Okay, right down here. I hear it. It's getting closer. I hear them. Everybody get down. Oh my god, I hear them. Oh, okay, I'm scared. Okay, well, said Breakhaven was getting destroyed, so let's go see what happened, and hopefully it's not freezing outside anymore. Okay, I'm scared. Wait, it's beautiful up here. There's still some snow on the ground, but that might go away soon. It's gone. Breakhaven is back to normal, but let's see what damage our house has. Well, I hope it's not bad, because if it is, we're rebuilding it. I literally love that house, and Mom is going to kill me if that thing is destroyed. Our house is destroyed. Okay, time to start rebuilding this place.